Hey guys, this is Joe Tumolo, realtor on the Treasure Coast of South Florida. Welcome to Palm City, Florida, where nature's beauty meets the Florida lifestyle. Known for its scenic waterways, top-notch golf courses, and A-rated schools, Palm City has long been a sought-after place to live. And now a brand new community is redefining what it means to call this place home. Today we are filming at Newfield, a brand new master plan community unlike anything you have ever seen in South Florida. Spanning over 3,800 acres, with 70% of that reserved for open space, Newfield is designed for people who want more than just a home. At the heart of Newfield's commitment to sustainability is this 170-acre working farm. Here, residents can volunteer, grow their own food, or simply enjoy fresh, local-grown produce in their own community. It's a community-driven approach to sustainability that you won't find anywhere else in South Florida. Each neighborhood is designed with walkability in mind, with each home being a short walk to the town center, where eventually there will be shops, restaurants, and civic spaces. And speaking of the town center, this will be at the heart of Newfield, bringing neighbors together with community events, local businesses, and everyday conveniences, all just steps from your door. Newfield offers a variety of home styles, so whether you're looking for a townhouse, a single-family home, or a condo, there's something here for everybody. Today we're taking a look at the model homes and giving you a first look at what makes Newfield so special. The Marguerite model is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage with 2,245 square feet. The Shasta model offers 4 beds, 3 baths, 2-car garage, with 2,438 square feet. The Montauk is the largest of the floor plans, with 4 beds, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage, spanning 3,640 square feet. The Seaside model is 4 beds, 4.5 baths, 2-car garage, spanning 3,657 square feet. The Gerbera model is 4 beds, 3.5 baths, with a 2-car garage, spanning 3,053 square feet. The Livingston model is 3 beds, 2.5 baths, with a 2-car garage, spanning 2,377 square feet. The Crown model is 2 beds, 2.5 baths, with a 2-car garage, spanning 1,973 square feet. Newfield is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. With its focus on connection, sustainability, and walkability, this community is redefining modern living in Martin County. If Newfield sounds like the perfect place for you, let's set up a tour. Give me a call or drop a comment below. I'd love to show you around.